So guys, today let's see how we can remove duplicate items from an array of strings or integer without using the new set method. So for example, consider this array of integers. Here digits 1 and 3 are appearing multiple times in the array. So we will construct a function to remove the duplicate items from this array. So here we have a function definition with the name remove duplicates, which accepts an array as a parameter. Let's define one more array named output array. This will be the final array of unique items that our function will return. So let output array. So this will be used to return the unique items at the last. Also define a new variable named element, which we will use to hold the value of the array element temporarily that we are traversing through. Then also let's define one object called named exists, which, as the name suggests, will be used to store a key value pair. The key would be the element present in the input array, and if we find an element for the first time, we will set its value as true, so that uh, that will tell us that the element was added once in the output array. Now we will create a for loop to traverse through the input array. Then we will store the current array element in the element variable. Now we will push the element in the output array to create to create our output array. And we will also add a key for the same in the exists object, which will help us to make sure that we have already pushed this element in the output array once. Now we need to make sure we push the element in the output array only once to create an array of array with unique element. So for that, before we push elements in the output array, we will create an if condition to check if the element we are about to push in the output array is already present in the exists object. If the element is not present in the exists, only then we will uh, push the element in the output array. So this condition will make sure we insert the element only once in the output array to create an array with unique elements. Finally, we will return the output array. So this concludes our method to traverse through the input array elements and remove the duplicates from the array. Now let's test uh, it using our console statements, which are already created here. So if you can see, I'm using two arrays. One is the array of string and one is the array of numbers. So if you can see the array of integers which had duplicate items, here is the unique array with only unique set of elements. Thank you.